Hi y'all, today we're going to do a recreation or try. Here's the image. I saw this on Oriental Trading and we're going to give it a try. So I got some book pages and I ripped them up in tiny pieces and had them soaking in water. We got a styrofoam ball from Dollar Tree, some school glue. That's my makeshift holder. Works good. So we're going to take the school glue first and put it on the styrofoam. I actually made a boo-boo right here. So I was putting my paper on first. I was like, why is this not sticking? Hello. I forgot my glue. So you want to put the school glue on the ball first and then your paper, and it sticks just fine. You can use Mod Podge as well. Yeah, my hands are getting dirty and that doesn't bother me one bit. I absolutely love being hands-on with my projects. It'll wash away. Hold on just a second, guys. It'll wash away easily. Sorry, I forgot to turn my phone off. See, now I got my glue on, and we're just going to go over the entire ball with paper and glue. And then once I have this complete, then I'm going to go over the entire thing with some Mod Podge. I feel like this is easy. You guys have to let me know in comments if you feel I nailed this or failed this. Now keep in mind, nothing's going to be perfect like you see on the website. So, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully it looks okay. And my trick here is definitely the smallest pieces you can do. It makes it much easier. That's just my opinion. Are you just going to go over your entire ball with that? These would be so cute in a bowl with some Halloween lights and other decorations. You know, like those decorative balls you can buy? So this would be like decorative balls for Halloween. So I'm just taking my thumb and I'm just smoothing it out the best I can. And there we have it all complete. And like I said, I did Mod Podge it all and then let it dry. And now I'm about to freehand an eyeball, just like you saw in the picture. No, I'm not an artist. I do my best, but I'm not an artist. I had already done one before this, so I was kind of looking at it as a guide on what I needed to do. Because obviously my image was on my phone. But I'll show you the other one in the end too. I think these would be super cool if you took like some melted red wax and poured over it, or green. Either way, I think would be really cool. I might end up doing that. I don't know yet. We'll see. So right now it's just rough outlining. Just rough outlining. Just taking my Sharpie and making some eyelashes. And just marking things where I want them. And we're about to take some white chalk paint and fill in our eye. And then I think it starts to come to life a little bit more. So we got Rust-Oleum white chalk paint and we're just going to fill it in. I don't feel like, I know nothing's perfect, but I don't feel like you need to stress over perfection with this. That's my opinion. Even if it wasn't a Halloween item, you know what I mean? I think trying to strive for perfection just makes it more stressful and takes the fun out of crafting. Takes the joy out. Now I'm just taking my black chalk paint and I'm filling in the eye. If I go off camera, I'm so sorry. I tend to do that. I get caught up and I completely forget what I'm doing. I forget I'm filming. And now here's my little tip. When I need to draw on paint, I always do a layer of Mod Podge over it first, let that dry, and then drawing is it's a lot more smoother. If that makes sense. It's a lot easier to draw. So now I'm kind of just doing the lines here and there, giving some detail. I think watching it explains it better than I can as far as talking. Just giving the eye some details. I want to thank everybody while I'm drawing for all the support I've been getting. I'm amazed at how fast my channel is growing, and I can't thank you all enough. New and old, thank you. I appreciate y'all. I really do. It means a lot. It's definitely a fun journey, and I'm glad to be here. So, if you are not subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. And please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. That actually helps my channel a lot, and I appreciate it so much. I just wanted to tell y'all that real fast while I was doing some detail work. You could even do them smaller. You don't have to do these bigger ones. These are the bigger balls, but you could also get the little tiny one. You know, the littler balls at Dollar Tree? Make your craft a little bit faster. It wouldn't take you no time at all to get these made. I hope you guys had a good weekend. We were lazy all weekend. We sure were. Now I'm just kind of adding a few dots here and there, and just like you saw on the picture. These are actually a lot of fun to make. Now I'm adding like a glare in the eye, the best I can. Kind of putting the paint on there and kind of dabbing it away, because I didn't want the paint too heavy. I wanted more of that glare look. Yeah, I love getting messy while I'm crafting. I love it. And there we go. Now I'm just darkening up my line. I think it makes the eyeball pop a little bit more. So that's all I'm doing here, just darkening things up. If you guys have something you would like me to, I'm going to say try and recreate, please just put some comments down. Can you put pictures in comments? Maybe. Or you can just comment something that you want me to try. Or I also have an email. It's Dager, Shannon, Dager, Shannon at yahoo.com. You can email me some pictures, and I'll see what I can do. Now we're taking some glossy accents, and I'm just going to brush that over the eye. My email is also in my description of the page, or the channel, and I will also put it in the description box in case you guys want to email me with some ideas. Now I'm taking some distress ink and just going over the ball a little bit to dirty it up a little. I didn't want it all clean. So we're just dirtying it up a little bit. And there's my other one. And here they are. You guys definitely let me know what you think. Did they come out okay? Would you consider trying it? I hope so. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it inspired you. And I hope you guys have a great week. Bye y'all.